What are the best rudiments for drum fills? I mean, who knows? But today I'm going to show you 3 of my go-to rudiments when I want fills that sound smooth, musical, and just a little bit filthy. What is up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. One of the questions I get all the time, especially during my live streams, is what is your favorite rudiment? Which is an impossible question to answer. You know, I'm moody. Some days it's all about ghost notes, some days it's all about speed, some days I'm a jazz drummer for like 4 minutes. However, no matter what mood I'm in, I always find myself coming back to these 3 rudiments. They're expressive, they're fun, and they just work around the drum set. So let's jump right into the first one. Before we get started though, all my channel members out there can download everything from this lesson via the link in the members tab. So if you want some of that extra bonus content, consider joining the channel membership. The Left Flam Triplet. Simple, tasty, and ridiculously versatile. First of all, what's a flam? A flam is basically the drummer's way of pretending 2 people clapping at the same time. So it's one quiet tap right before an accented note. Here's the right flam. And here is the left flam. Make sure to keep the grace note really close to the main hit, otherwise it just sounds like 2 notes fighting each other. Now, the Left Flam Triplet is basically just the left permutation of the flam accent. This is how you play the Left Flam Triplet. Do not confuse this with the Swiss Army Triplet. It's a different sticking and it sounds like this. Now you want to try accenting the flam for a cleaner, more dynamic feel. You can also accent the last left stroke. It gives it that extra beefy punch. Now this is where it gets fun. Start orchestrating it around the drum set. Use the cymbals, the tom, anything you like. Instantly more texture and instantly more attitude. And finally, let's try it with a groove. First, I'll show the fill with a shuffle groove, so you actually play as triplets, and then I'm gonna play a straight groove, so you play the fill as 16th notes, but in groups of 3. You gotta admit, it's pretty cool, right? Let's move on to the second rudiment. If you follow my playing at all, you already know this. I use this next rudiment way too much, because it's so smooth. The sticking for the 6-stroke roll is right, left, left, right, right, left. And you can play this two ways. You can play it straight, which sounds like this. Or you can play it as sextuplets, which sounds like this. Personally, sextuplets is where this rudiment really shines. Make sure that you accent the first right stroke and the last left stroke, and it instantly becomes a monster fill. Try placing the accents on different toms and different cymbals. It's gonna add color and make each phrase feel different. Let me break it down slowly at first and gradually speed it up. And of course, try it with a groove. Okay everyone, last rudiment, so make sure you're a subscriber before this video ends. I know, it sounds like someone sneezed, but trust me, the Blushda is nasty. It's really similar to the Left Flam Triplet, but instead of a little tap, the right hand plays a diddle. So the sticking for this is left flam, right, right, left. It's beefy, explosive, and it sits so well on the kit. And just like the Left Flam Triplet, move the accents around the drum set. Oh, and a little bonus for you, try adding a kick drum right before the flam. It puts a little bit of drag into the fill, but it sounds so good. And of course, try it with a groove. Okay, so at this point, you've got 3 killer textures. You got the Left Flam Triplet, the 6-stroke roll, and the Blushda. Here's the final challenge. Mix them. Blend the rudiments together in a single fill or a phrase. No rules, just musical choices. Alright my friends, those are 3 of my favorite rudiments to use in drum fills. If you enjoyed this drum lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well. I really appreciate it. Now, if you want to check out more rudiments that can turn into cool drum fills, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.